Hello, viewers all over the world. I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as GONS, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. Okay, so let's consider the next episode, which is episode what? Episode 36, which says expand the following determinant by what? By rule of Sarrus. Expand the following determinant by what? By rule of Sarrus. Yes, this question is from a what? From matrix. This question is from matrix. This question is from matrix and from the topic matrix. Okay, and here we are asked to what? To expand the following determinant by what? By the rule of Sarrus. So Sarrus is a rule or a method that is specifically designated for matrix of third order. You use this method for matrix of third order. Anything below or more than that, it cannot work. So only matrix of third order that you can that you can apply this method, that method or rule of Sarrus. And what we mean by matrix of third order, that is a matrix in which we have three rows and three columns, which is a matrix of third order. And these, let's come a little bit down, that is exercises. Here we have to solve the following word, the rule. It says solve the following by rule of Sarrus. The first one is this, and the answer is 0 to this very question. 0 is the answer to this very question 1. Then there is question 2. 10 is the answer to this very question. 10 is the answer to this very question. So that is just it. So let's start as usual. Okay, so the first thing is analysis. Analysis and solution. Analysis and solution. Okay, the first thing that we do is to rewrite this. So that is, okay, and let me come a little bit down. 3, 5 minus 2. So here you have that 2, 1, 6, and then 4, 4, 1, then 7. Okay, so you have to rewrite the very question, which is 3, 2 minus 4, 5, 1 minus 1, then minus 2, 6, 7. Then you have to repeat the first two columns. You have to repeat these first two columns. You repeat it, which is 3, this is 5, this minus 2. Here you have 2, then you have 1, have 6. Okay, so that's what you do. Then having done that, here just put plus. Here is a plus. This place is plus. Then here you put minus, you put minus, put minus. Then see what you do. Then you join them. Okay. Then this also you join it. This to this, this. Then from here you join this one also. Yeah, yeah. Okay, so you are done with that. Then come, yeah. So this you come also like this. Join. Yeah. Then here you join. Then here you join. Okay, so you have seen what I've just done here. 3. This is 3. Okay, this is minus 4. Okay, so what we have just done here is this. So I've written the question, then I repeat the first two columns. This is a 3, then 5, this is minus 2, this is 2, this is a 1, and this is a 6. This is how you start with. This is how you start with. You understand? This is how you start with. Okay, now what did he mean by this? What do we mean? So it means that we have to multiply 3 times 1 times 7. Okay, then that is just it. Then plus 2 times minus 1 times minus 2 plus, this is what? Minus 4 times what? 5 times 6. Then you come to this way. So here now you now have a minus open bracket 4 minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. Yeah, just like that. So let's come to this side. Yeah. Okay. Okay, which implies, so let's go. We have to start multiplying. This is a 3 times 1 times. So you now open like this. 3 times, which is this 3 times 1 times what? 7. You close it. Plus, this plus is this. Open bracket. 2 times. This is my 2 times minus 1. Mark you, this is a minus. Minus 1 times. This is minus 2 again. You close it. Plus. This plus is this. Open bracket. Minus 4 times. Minus 4 times 5 times. This is 6. Okay. Then minus. Okay, the minus now, you are not coming to this way now. So open bracket, minus 4. This is minus 4 times 1 times 1 times minus 2. Then minus, which is this minus. So see what I have just done. I said this is minus, which is this. Open bracket, this is minus 4 times 1 times minus 2, which is minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. Then minus, this is the minus. Then you now say, open bracket and close again, which is 3 times, this is 3 times minus 1 times 6. Then plus, okay, minus, open bracket. So this one is 2 times 5 and 5 times what? Times 7 and 7. Then you perform. Okay, so that it does it. So all this one you see from here, this is 3, which is 3 times 1 times 7. 3 times 1 times 7. From here, plus this is the plus, this is 2 times minus 1, which is 2 times minus 1 times minus 2. Okay, so coming to this one, which is this plus again, open bracket for this, which is minus 4, which is this, times 5 times 6. Okay, close bracket minus, which is minus here now, open bracket and close. This minus 4 times 1 times minus 2. That is it. Minus, which is this minus, open bracket and close. This 3 times minus 1 times 6, which is 3 times minus 1 times 6. This is it. This minus is this. Then minus again, which is this minus. The open bracket and close 2 times 5 times 7, which is this. Okay, then you close it, which implies. So let's see. We have to multiply now. 3 times 1 times 7 will give you what? I will give you 21. Because 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 7 is 21. Plus, this is plus. Okay, let's see. This is 2 times minus 1 will give you minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give you minus 4. That will give you plus 4, please. So 2 times 1 will give you minus 2. Minus 2 times minus 2 will give you plus 4. So plus 4 times, that is 4. then plus, okay, this is plus, but let's see. Take note of this plus. Minus 4 times 5 will give you what? Minus 20. Minus 20 times 6 will give you minus what? 120. Minus 120. Minus 120. Then we are done with this. Okay? We are done with this side. Okay, let me put it like this. Then this is minus. Okay, now minus 4 times 1 will give you minus 4. Minus 4 times minus 2 will give you what? Plus 8. Plus 8 times minus here will give you minus 8. So yes, minus 8. So coming to the next one, which is this? Minus. Which is this? Minus. So here now 3 times minus 1 will give you minus 3. Minus 3 times 6 will give you what? Minus 18. Minus 18 times minus will give you plus what? 18. Here we give you plus 18. Then the last one. So this is minus 2 times 5 will give you 10. Then 10 times 7 will give you 70. So that one, 70 times minus will give you minus 70. Okay. Okay, so that is it. Now let's see. From here, if we wouldn't mind, let's remove this and remove this because okay, which implies, let's see, collecting of like terms. This is 21 plus 4 will give us 25. 25 plus 18 will give us what? Let's see, 25 plus 18. What are we going to have? 5 plus 8 will give us what? 13. Carry 1. This is 3, 4. That's 40. We have 43. So we are now having a minus, okay, that we are having a 43 minus, okay, let's see. This is minus 120 minus, will give you minus 128. Minus 128 minus 70. So minus 128 minus 70. Let's see. Here now, minus we turn to plus. Here we have 8. Yes, then 2, you have 9. That 2 plus 7, 9. Then here you have 1. Okay, which is minus 198. Minus 9. Okay, so that's minus 198. So here we have minus 198. Okay, 43 minus 198 is the same thing as saying 198 minus 43. Let's see. Okay, 8 minus 3 will give us 5, and 9 minus 4 will give us also 5, then 1. So here we now have equals, so 43 minus 198 will give us minus 55. 155 minus 155. Okay, we have as the answer. Minus 155. Okay, I think this is the answer to this question. So the answer is what? Minus 155. Okay, you have seen what we have done here. From here, we discovered that 21 plus 4 will give us what? 25. 25 plus 18 will give us 43. Then minus 120 minus 8 will give us minus 128. Minus 128 minus 70 will give us minus 198. So 43 minus 198 will give us minus 155. And this is the answer to this. Viewers all over the world, this is the answer to this. Please continue to follow my page. Continue to follow my page because I believe you continue to enjoy every bit of my posts. Yes, that is just it. Thank you.